Hear the lion roar, not in anger, but in truth. Stand firm, my people, stand in righteousness. The mountain cannot bow to the wind. Hope awakened, spirit fills. Every heartbeat knows the way toward a brighter, peaceful day. From the valleys to the sea, the drum still speaks of liberty. Ancient footsteps mark the ground where truth and courage shall be found. The roots run deep beneath the stone. No faithful soul shall walk alone. Though the tempest shake the sky, the spirit never shall run dry. Hold your head and never fear. The dawn is always drawing near. Stand with love, stand with grace. No storm can shake a faithful place. Lion, stand tall, never lose your way. Stand tall, stand firm today. Truth shall never fall, never fall, never fall. Lion, stand tall, the righteous answer every call. Hey. From Jamaica's hills, the trumpet sound, calling every nation round. Across the waters far and wide, the strength of hope shall be our guide. Africa lives in every song, giving weary hearts their strength. The elders' wisdom lights the road, helping every soul bear the load. No chain can bind the faithful heart, no darkness keeps the light apart. Justice grows from humble seed, blooming where the people lead. One voice, one drum, one heartbeat, one love. Lift the banner, raise it high. Yeah, let the faithful touch the sky. Stand together, side by side, with hope forever as our guide. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Build tomorrow with your hands. Peace begins across the lands. Teach the children not to fear, for the future's drawing near. Lift the fallen from the ground, share the blessings all around. Mercy stronger than revenge. Love can always bring the change. When the mountain meets the rain, flowers bloom through every pain. Every sunrise proves again, hope will always rise again. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Lion, stand tall, stand tall, never lose your way. Stand tall, stand firm today, stand firm today. Truth drum still beats, the trumpet still calls.